Tired of dropping screws and losing time? Discover the magnetic wristband that solves it all. We've all been there. You're working on a project, whether it's fixing your car, assembling furniture, or putting up shelves, only to drop a screw or nail at the worst possible moment. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and can even derail an entire project. Reaching for another screw, or worse, climbing down a ladder to find that missing bolt, adds unnecessary hassle. And let's face it, no one enjoys the interruption. So, how can you avoid this problem? What's the secret to keeping all those tiny parts within reach, right where you need them? Enter the HIGHEVER Magnetic Wristband, the solution you never knew you needed. Imagine this: no more scrambling around for dropped screws, nails, or bolts. The HIGHEVER Magnetic Wristband is designed to keep all those tiny items within easy reach, thanks to its super strong magnets. Simply strap it on, and you've got your tools literally at your fingertips. The wristband is crafted from durable 1680D ballistic polyester, offering the strength and breathability needed for hours of work without discomfort. With this magnetic marvel, you can hold screws, nails, and other small items, all while keeping your hands free to focus on the task at hand. Talk about a game changer. What sets the HIGHEVER Magnetic Wristband apart from other tool organizers? For starters, it's equipped with powerful magnets that securely hold all your metal bits in place, making sure you never lose a screw again. The breathable design ensures comfort even after a long day of work, and the adjustable strap fits most wrist sizes. 2 additional pockets hold non-magnetic items, giving you even more storage space. Whether you're a pro handyman, DIY enthusiast, or just someone looking to make home repairs easier, this wristband is a must-have. It's lightweight, practical, and built for efficiency. The real question is, how much time and frustration will the HIGHEVER Magnetic Wristband save you? A lot. By keeping your screws and nails within easy reach, you won't have to constantly search for lost parts or go back to your toolbox. This wristband is a productivity booster. It's designed for people who want to work smarter, not harder. And with its durable build and quality materials, it's not just a short-term fix, it's an investment that will save you time on every project. Whether you're building, fixing, or creating, this wristband will make your work faster and easier. So, what's the solution to all your hardware frustrations? It's simple. The HIGHEVER Magnetic Wristband. No more wasted time searching for dropped screws, no more stopping mid-project to grab a new tool. This practical, versatile wristband keeps everything you need right on your wrist. Whether you're handling small home repairs or tackling big DIY projects, this wristband is your third hand. And with the added bonus of making an awesome gift for anyone who loves to work with tools, it's a no-brainer. Say goodbye to the hassle of lost screws. Order your magnetic wristband today.